How to find link in bio on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find the link in bio on TikTok. Begin by launching the TikTok mobile application. This is the main homepage where you'll see suggested videos and can navigate to other areas of the app. To locate the link in someone's bio, first tap on the username of the account whose profile you wish to view. This will take you to that user's profile page. On this page, look carefully around the bio section. You will usually find the link placed there. As shown here, the link may appear prominently on the screen. In some cases, there might be two different links available in the bio section. You can tap on either one depending on where you'd like to go. Once tapped, TikTok will redirect you to the destination linked by the user. That's all you need to do to locate and follow a bio link on TikTok. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find the link in bio on TikTok.